it doesn't work, it's probably your key. So if you just give it a little bit of a turn back, everything turns on. You got your blower motor back, everything. But if you have it so it doesn't work, you can hear it. You can hear, so my foot is pegged, but you can hear that it's dying. It really does not want to run right now. And in fact, it's basically dying. But just to fix it, you just put a little bit of tension on the key in the off position, and then you get your blower motor back, and it idles just fine, and you get your throttle back. So check to see if it's the key first.